Hepsia's email manager is easy to use for everyone. It's nothing more than point and click. And you have all the information you need for each function right on screen. So taking complete control of all your emails is simple. And that goes for creating a new mailbox too, or setting up mail filters to send messages to different folders. It's all done easily. You can also adjust the level of anti-spam protection to help block unwanted messages. And all your options are right there on screen with an explanation so you can handle anything that comes up. You can also set up an autoresponder messages to, you guessed it, automatically reply to emails when you're away, and even forward messages to another mailbox. Our useful catch-all option will collect all messages sent to a domain. Now if you want, you can use a desktop mail client of your choice, and with just a click, create a configuration file helping you set up your mailboxes on your desktop in seconds. Or you can just access your emails through webmail on any online device. Now to save you more time on file management, just right-click it, and all your edit options are right there. And if you got any problems, there's a large Q&A section that will help you create and manage your mailboxes without having to go all over the place to get your answers. With Hepsia, you're always in control, and managing your emails is fast and easy for anyone. So get Hepsia today with a control panel that does it all.